Hello everyone. Whether you're installing D5 Render for the first time or you're an experienced user looking to improve your workflow, in this video, we will walk you through the D5 Render shortcuts, the essential basic settings for first-time use, and the necessary pre-processing steps for exporting and importing your model. First up, change the D5 workspace location. Ensure you allocate at least 40 gigabytes of space for future assets downloading and storage. Once D5 Render is installed, open its latest version from D5 Launcher. Secondly, you can change the shortcuts in D5 Render to fit your preferred workflow. You can view and customize key bindings via Menu, Preference, Shortcuts. For example, while D5 Render defaults to Q for up and E for down, you can swap these if you prefer a different setup. If you aren't familiar with the software yet, you can use this menu to learn the key bindings. You can also save this attachment, which covers the essential shortcuts you will use most often in D5 Render. We will provide the download link for this file in the video description below. Go ahead and activate widgets like the Section tool and Advanced Camera tool in the left panel now for quick access. Then, let's configure the project's auto-save time. You can find the setting in Menu, Preference, General. We advise 30 minutes. A longer setting risks losing work, while a shorter one quickly consumes disk space and makes reviewing old versions impractical. Once these settings are complete, if your project ever experiences an unexpected crash, you can easily recover your progress by going to Menu, File, View Historical Versions. We recommend checking your model based on the following points before importing it into D5 Render. First, ensure your model stays close to the world origin. Second, make sure all your model faces have their normals pointing outwards. This is crucial for ensuring that materials display correctly after the transfer. If you need to move individual model parts or create phasing animations in D5 Render, we strongly recommend importing your model from LiveSync plugins using the grouped export method. This feature is supported by SketchUp, 3ds Max, Rhino, and Revit. After importing your model into D5 Render, take a few initial steps. First, turn off Exposure Compensation Auto and manually set a suitable value. Secondly, if you didn't reset your coordinates in your modeling software, you can manually set them to 0 within D5 Render. Finally, perform a manual save. This is important as it triggers the automatic save mechanism. Now you're all set to begin creating your D5 Render project. By completing these initial settings, you'll successfully avoid common issues like an unfamiliar workflow or the loss of project progress. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.